Hello guys, welcome to Learning Prep Class. I am your tutor, Adinu. In this video, I'll be solving questions 71 to 75 from the Aqua Basic Tech 2016 questions. After this video, you'll have gained understanding on how to carefully select the correct answer when solving questions in Basic Tech. It's usually fun having you guys around, and I know this video will be a worthwhile session. Do not forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can go the extra mile of leaving a comment so we can communicate for effective learning. Without further ado, let's zoom in. Question 71. Which of the following tools is used for cutting thin sheet metal? A. Chisel, B. Hacksaw, C. Scissors, D. Snipe. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, if you look at all of these tools are cutting tools. But how do we analyze them and pick out the one that best answers our question? Our question is centered on cutting thin sheet metal. So we are looking out for that tool used for cutting thin sheet metal. We're going to be looking at the uses of all of these tools, and with that, we would carefully select the one used for cutting thin sheet metal. Let's check them out. Chisel tools are used for cutting or carving hard materials such as metal, stone, or wood. Now, hard materials as metal, but not thin sheet metals, because thin sheet metals are softer than the usual metallic materials. That's not our correct answer. The next one says hacksaws. They are originally and principally made for cutting metal, but can also cut various other materials such as plastic and wood. For example, plumbers and electricians often cut plastic pipes and plastic conduits with them. So hacksaw is also used for cutting metal. But the metal we are specifically concerned about is thin sheet metal. And we know thin sheet metal are usually light. The next one says scissors are used for cutting various thin materials such as paper, cardboard, metal foil, cloth, rope, and wire. So this is used for cutting metal foil but not thin sheet metal. So it's also not our correct answer. Snipes, also known as shears, are hand tools used to cut sheet metal and other tough webs. So snipes are specifically used for cutting sheet metal, and that is our correct answer. Alright, let's look at it. Question 71, option D, snipe, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 72. The process of hammering metals to form shape is known as A. Molding, B. Forging, C. Folding, D. Shaping. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, when you are hammering metals to form shape, it definitely means we are hitting the metals, likewise hammering them. Metals are often subjected to great heat, so it can make them softer, and when we hammer them, they will form a better shape. And in that process, it is known as forging. We are forging the metal, where we are hitting the metal and hammering them so they can form shape. It's not known as molding, neither is it known as folding. It is also not known as shaping, but it is called forging. For example, if you are forging a metal into a sword, it is heated and hammered until you get the exact shape of the metal as a sword or as any other material. So our correct answer is option B, forging. Let's check it out. Question 72, option B, forging, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 73. Energy is the ability to A. Use of power, B. Use strength, C. Carry load, D. Do work. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and select the one which best answers our question. Now, we're talking about energy. Energy is basically the ability or the capacity to do work. For example, as humans, if we don't have energy, we can't do work. And where do we derive our energy from? We derive our energy from the food we eat. So that energy from the food we eat is called the chemical energy. So it's this energy that gives us the ability or the capacity to do work. So our correct answer would be option D, do work. Let's check it out. Question 73, option D, do work, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 74. The following are used for producing air except A, pipe, B, below, C, mouth, D, pump. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Now, our question is centered on the following are used to produce air except, so we are looking out for that one which is not used in air production. Option A, pipe. Pipe is not used in air production. Pipe is only used to pass air where necessary. So our correct answer for question 74 is option A, pipe. Option B, bellow. Bellow is used to produce air. In blacksmithing, where we need to heat metals and forge them, bellow is used to blow air to increase the fire in the coal. So bellow is also used to produce air. Our mouth also produces air. And in the process of producing air with our tongue, it makes sound. So sound is as a result of the release of air from our mouth. Pump, option D, is also used to produce air. We have manual pumps which we use in pumping our bicycle. So pump is also used in producing air. So our correct answer will be option A, pipe. Let's check it out. Question 74, option A, pipe, is our correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 75. Cotton wool is used for the following except for A, covering wounds, B, cleaning wounds, C, soaking of blood, D, holding fractures. For us to carefully select the correct answer, we need to analyze all of the options and see which one best answers our question. Option A, covering wounds. Yes, cotton wool is used for covering wounds, and you can enhance it with the use or support it with the use of a plaster. Cotton wool is used for covering wounds. Option B, cleaning wounds. Cotton wool is also used for cleaning wounds. You can use it to clean wounds. Option C, soaking of blood. So in soaking blood and cleaning the wound, cotton wool is used to carry out both activities at the same time. While cleaning the wounds, you are soaking blood to dress the wound before treatment is applied on it. Option D, holding fractures. Cotton wool is not used for holding fractures. It doesn't have such a strength to hold fractures. Rather, we use bandages to hold fractures. So our correct answer for question 75 is option D, holding fractures. Let's check it out. Question 75, option D, holding fractures, is our correct answer. Alright, this is how far we can go in this video. I hope you had fun. Our questions came out easy when we analyzed the options. I'm using this time out to ask us to join our WhatsApp group using this link below so we can get updates on more videos to come and we can ask questions and comment on the previous videos we've seen. It was fun having you guys around. Till I come your way again. Bye.